Digital Money Tools, Part 7. Tool number 6, MoneyWiz, Complete Money Control and Cash Flow System. When money is coming, but still feels out of control. Some people earn well, they save sometimes, they even invest a little. Yet they still feel confused. They don't know how much is truly safe to spend, what their real cash flow looks like, whether they are moving forward or backward. This confusion doesn't come from lack of effort. It comes from fragmented information. MoneyWiz was built to bring everything together. What is MoneyWiz? MoneyWiz is a comprehensive personal finance management tool. Think of it as a dashboard, a control center, a financial map. It doesn't focus on just one thing. MoneyWiz tracks income, expenses, budgets, cash flow, scheduled payments, reports. It answers the most important question: what is my complete financial situation right now? Why complete visibility matters. Most people see money in pieces: bank app, balance only, budget app, categories, savings app, savings, investment app, investments. But money doesn't work in pieces. Money works as a system. MoneyWiz connects these pieces into one clear picture. When you see the whole picture, anxiety reduces, decisions improve, confidence increases. How MoneyWiz works: clear flow. MoneyWiz works in a structured way. Step 1. Add accounts. You can add bank accounts, cash accounts, credit cards, savings manual accounts, everything in one place. Step 2. Track transactions. Transactions can be auto-synced, manually entered. Each transaction affects your real cash flow. Step 3. Categorization and budgets. You assign categories and budgets. Unlike simple apps, MoneyWiz lets you customize deeply without becoming complicated. Step 4. Reports and analysis. This is where MoneyWiz shines. You get monthly summaries, income versus expense reports, cash flow charts, trend analysis. You don't guess, you know. Cash flow, the most misunderstood concept. Many people confuse balance with cash flow. Balance says, how much do I have today? Cash flow asks, what happens to my money over time? MoneyWiz focuses heavily on cash flow. It helps you see when money enters, when it leaves, where pressure points exist. This prevents surprises. Real-life scenario, clear transformation. Meet Hassan. Hassan had multiple accounts: salary account, savings, credit card. He always felt unsure. After using MoneyWiz, he saw real monthly surplus, identified cash flow gaps, planned expenses confidently. Nothing changed externally. Clarity changed everything. Scheduled payments and reminders. MoneyWiz allows you to schedule rent bills, installments, subscriptions. This creates future awareness. You stop reacting. You start planning. Common mistakes. Users make people struggle with MoneyWiz when they try to track everything perfectly. They overcomplicate categories. They stop reviewing reports. MoneyWiz rewards simplicity, consistency, weekly review. Perfection is not required. Security and data control. MoneyWiz gives strong control over data. You can use local data, use encrypted sync control access. Your financial information stays protected. Who should use MoneyWiz? MoneyWiz is perfect for people with multiple accounts, freelancers, families, anyone wanting full clarity. Not ideal if you want zero interaction, you only want simple budgeting. MoneyWiz is about control and awareness. How MoneyWiz fits your digital money system. Let's connect the system. Mint, spending visibility. YNAB, budget direction. Acorns, micro investing. Digit, automated saving, rocket money. Leak control. MoneyWiz, full financial map.